another video. Today we have the special buy of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. This is the way you traverse the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got outdoor power tools, we got power tools and accessories. Now we got some grills and accessories. We're probably just going to go over the tools. Outdoor tools, you got the Joby 40 volt attachment capable, 195. That's come with some accessories, battery charger. This one's 225. That's come with a blower, a battery charger. So it's not too bad for what is this? For 30 bucks more, you can get the blower. So that's a pretty good deal there. Let's see here. This one's 225. Yeah, this is the new one, I guess. Yeah, new one, 40 volt HP. This one's the 18 volt HP, 148. Alright, you got your regular kits here for small yards. I would not recommend these if you have a normal yard. If you have a normal yard, I would definitely get something like this. Alright, where's that at? And then you got the 18 volt cordless battery string trimmer edger. So this one's the combo. If you guys don't know what it is, you can pretty much edge this. You can switch it and run it vertically or horizontally. Yeah, vertically with this wheel and cut the edges. So 118 on this one. You got a pressure washer, 99. It's a pretty good deal, guys, because this by itself is $99, and they do include this, so that's a really good deal on that. I do have this pressure washer. This thing's amazing, guys. This thing has a lot of power for for its little motor that it has. This one's 3,300 watt or PSI, 2.3 gallons per minute Honda engine. Oh, this is a really nice pressure washer. It does have the more expensive engine in there. So $455. Got a 42-inch zero turn, $4,050. And then you got M18 brushless cordless string trimmer, $169. It's not a bad deal on that. Pretty good. You got a quick lock, $229. On this one that we don't have a picture, you got a string trimmer brushless string trimmer, $298. This is the fuel. You got a combo here, blower string trimmer combo, $398. Got a blower. I do have this blower. This thing's really powerful, really lightweight, pretty good. 158, pretty good. On this one, you're paying basically. Usually we see it on sale for $159, and with the glasses, so you're paying $8 for the glasses. It's not the best deal, but it is pretty good price still. $298 for the chainsaw. Alright, you got the pole saw attachment, and then you got what is this? It's hard to see. You got a battery charger, and then you got an extension attachment, an extra chain, $392. And then this one you got the chainsaw with the kit. So it does come with the battery, fast charge, rapid charge. Should be, I think it's yeah, $439. All right, you got the DeWalt 60 volt, $299 string trimmer, and then you got the 60 volt chainsaw, $245. That's just a tool with the chain. All right, you got this one with the chain. So 12-inch. I do have this one. This one works really good. It's for smaller stuff, smaller trees. $149. You got a DeWalt pole saw, $149. Makita string trimmer, $149. And then you got the curved shaft Makita for $159. You got the Echo 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $54.98. Got a internal piston pump backpack sprayer, $68. Got the Joby handheld sprayer, 2-gallon, $119. You got the 1-gallon. A lot of people say these are not good. You know, the pressure's not good on these. I haven't tried any of these smaller ones. All right, so you got the atomic. You got oscillating tool, drill, two regular batteries. Remember, guys, these are the batteries that don't have a fuel gauge. These are the smaller. I believe they're 1.5 or 1.3 amp hour. Got a charger in the bag for $169. This one's $219. Not too bad of a deal. These are actually these are pretty good deals. $219 for 3 tools. You got an oscillating tool from Ryobi HP. $99. If you guys see the difference, for $69 more, you're gonna get yourself a drill, 2 batteries, and a charger. So not really the best deal on this. I think this one's probably the better deal here, or this one. All right, you got a table saw here with the stand. So guys, this is back. This is a really good deal. This is the 15 amp corded 8 1/4 compact job saw table saw with bonus stand, and it does include the stand with the wheels. So this is a pretty good deal. You're basically getting this for free, because this by itself, it's just about that much. You got the, what is this, the reciprocating saw and the impact wrench for $259. You got some sanding paper there, sanding pads. You got a 62 12-inch blade, $29.97. You got a 4.5 24 tooth. This is for the smaller saws, circ saws, $30. You got the 4-in-1 blade, oscillating. You got the oscillating blades here, and then you got a 4-in-1. What is this? Like a $24.97. See what else? Diamond drill bit set, or bit, 1/2 inch, $13.97. You got some oscillating blades, $39.97. This is a pretty good deal. This is it for 14 piece. But yeah, this is rigid, so it's gonna be it's not gonna be the best bits or the best blades. $24.97 for the bimetal reciprocating saw blades, 16 piece with the disc here. Let me just click on it and make sure, so I will know what it is. It's a metal and SS cutting wheel. Yeah, okay. So it's a cutting wheel. You got the magnetic pivoting nut driver, $14.97. You got a drill bit here, auger bit, 5/8 by 17. $13.97. Got some cutoff wheels, rigid 6 piece, $19.97. You got a carbide cutoff wheel set, $16.97. You got a cutoff wheel set of 3, $16.97. As a tile. You got a 5-inch foam action polisher finish pad, $20.97. We got an auction pad set, polisher pad set, 3-piece, $12.97. We got a cobalt 29 piece, $99.97 from DeWalt. These are all sold out. This is pretty good. I really like this right angle attachment there. Usually we see it on sale with the kit, and it comes, free basically. You got the A-Smoke 265 square foot 8-in-1 grill, pellet grill, $257. You got a 700 square inch 8-in-1 pellet grill, $427. You got a 694 square inch pellet grill, $429. Oh, these are really nice, guys. Too bad I don't have the room in this. Well, I do have the room, but I don't have like a patio where I could put these. 1060 square feet pellet grill, smoker, $530. So I'm not gonna go over these because you guys are probably gonna get bored. But yeah, I think those are all the tools. Let me just make sure those are all the tools. Yep. All right, we got some filtration and softening systems, plumbing tools. All right, so Milwaukee, 24-inch aluminum offset pipe, $99. This is the M18 fuel lithium brushless cordless drain snake, $529. This is the kit. Yeah, the kit, and it comes with an extra 5. So you got the 6-inch and the 10 and adjustable 2.5 bassin range, $56.97. You got the rigid. You got the Model 18 offset wrench, $75. You got the rigid 460-12-12 portable tri-stem vise, $610. All right, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Lots of good deals, especially on the DeWalts, especially on that table saw. This thing's pretty good price there. These two. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next